Yo, what's up YouTube? Zach Fisher back another video today. And as you guys can see, it's snowing outside. It's freezing too. So I'm gonna be doing a 3-point contest against Kevin Durant, and all of the clips right here on how he did.
Oh, you take game like shots, but this is unrealistic. Shooting off a rack, grabbing a basketball.
You know, a lot of this is like when you go to the Major League All-Star game.
He only scored 6 in a round, so I'm gonna see if I can try to do 6 in this freezing weather. So let's get it. Come on. Alright guys, I finished with 6, and let me just say it's much harder than it seems. My hands are freezing, the ball is snow all over it, it's slippery. Yeah, me and Durant tied, so thank you guys for watching this video, and yeah, peace.